Hello guys, good afternoon. So our topic for today, we're going to change carburetors, 24mm keihin carburetors. This is for 4-stroke motorcycle engine, but we're going to test this one into our Yamaha L2gf 2-stroke because our carburetor giving me some problems because of overflowing gasoline. So we're going to change this, and I hope this will be gonna be good in our I buy some this is a manifold of Suzuki GD 125. So I already installed it in our carburetor, and I made some DIY rubber bushing, so it will be fit in our carburetor. As I will get this one, you will see. So our engine is only stock engine, no more port or no more any upgrades, just this one. So let us see if this will be compatible. So I made this DIY rubber bushing to fit in here in our machine manifold in our Yamaha L2gf. So the Suzuki GD manifold will fit in our machine. Let us try this one. Okay, so it's already fit there. Now we're going to install our carburetor. Now I add some of this to tighten our carburetor into our machine. This carburetor is a keihin brand, 24mm. Will add more power to our motorcycle if it will be compatible in this 2-stroke engine motorcycle. So let us tighten this up. Now, so it's done there. Now we're going to install our hose for our gasoline. There. So now it's ready. We're gonna try if it's gonna work. So let's do it. Now let's just open our gas tank, our fuel. There. Okay, gasoline is running. Okay, as you see, the gasoline is already there. Let's gonna try this. It's already done, so we're going to try this, and I hope it's gonna work. So let's do it. Yes, it's working. So congratulations. We're going to have our test drive. We're going to try this on the streets. So let's go. We're going to tone this a little bit.